Welcome to your Interior Design YouTube channel. The kitchen sink is a functional focal point in any kitchen, and the right style can make a significant impact on your space. Sleek, modern sink ideas focus on minimalism and clean lines, making them a perfect addition to contemporary kitchens. Undermount skins, which sit below the countertop for a smooth, seamless look, have grown in popularity due to their aesthetic appeal and ease of cleaning farmer sinks. On the other hand, offer a more rustic charm with their deep basin and exposed front for those with limited space. Corner sinks or compact and single basin options are practical choices that optimizes counter space while maintaining a style. When choosing a sink, it is also important to consider material. Stainless steel is durable and easy to clean, while composite granite sinks provided a high-end scratch resistant surface. Color options have expanded with black and white sinks, offering a chic contrast to vibrant countertops. Adding kitchen accessories such as pull-out faucets, soap dispenser, or built-in drying racks can improve functionality while complementing the sink style. Pairing the sink with modern kitchen functions like those with touchless technology or sleek curved designs enhances the overall aesthetic. For the ultimate in kitchen decor, consider including a statement sink such as round or oversized model that serves as a room centerpiece. Choosing the right sink and accessories can elevate your kitchen design while making your cooking space more efficient and visually appealing. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Design channel.